So this is Euro-Yen analysis for Thursday, 26th of October. Now let's just have a look what happened with prices on the 25th. So on the 25th of October, we did see a bit of a selling. We did see some selling on the 134 level, but it was minor. We immediately saw some buying momentum coming to the market. We did see this pretty strong candle here, which was at 9 a.m. Let's just get this right. So let's just, there's some technical difficulties there. So as you can see here, prices did come up to this 134 level, had a brief sell-off, and we did see some strong buying of this strong momentum candle here. We've had a retest of the 134 level, and we did see some buying, which is a positive sign. So we should expect a continuation to the upside, above this 134 level, the very next level. I'm just going to have a look at that on the old chart. So above this 134, the very next level is pretty clear. The next major level is in and around this 135.60 region before we might see some selling momentum. So as we've retested this 134 and we have held it, I would expect continuation to the upside. If we do break down from this 134 level, which for me would be unlikely, we would expect we could potentially see prices bounce in around this 134.45, or possibly where we did see some support before we go all the way down to this 200 period average marked out here in blue, the 133 level, below which we've got the 32.83, where we have the 400 period moving average. By that time, the 400 period moving average would have likely moved up to 133, and the 200 period moving average would have likely moved quite a bit up as well. So because the 200 period moving average currently sitting near 133.20, and the 400 sitting at 132.83. So by the time if prices do turn around, depending on the speed of which they do turn around, we would expect these moving averages to be quite a bit higher. So the 400 period average might actually be around this 133 region. So in and around these previous swing lows, these previous swing lows are currently sitting at around, let's just have a look where these swing lows are. These current swing lows are sitting around the 133.10 region. So let's imagine this as 133 combined with the 200 period average. We might see a bounce off that level, off the dynamic support, as well as where we did see some buying momentum come into the market in around that 133 region. Beyond that, I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond even the 32.83, as we're currently trading up at 134.29. But beyond that, we'll definitely be looking to see these lows over here in around this 132.50. And the next weekly pivot beyond there is 132, but that's over 200 pips, and I don't anticipate price getting all the way down there. So we're definitely looking at, if we do see a pullback, this 33.45, and possibly where we have the 200 400 period average providing a dynamic support, and in around this 33, the zone between 33 and 32.83. So if we do have a look on the weekly time frame, pretty much all the dynamic levels are pretty far away. On this weekly time frame, as we can see, we're clearly in an uptrend. At present, we are having a further bull flag form, so we have the move up, had a bit of a bull flag. This is a bullish continuation candle closing near its highs. We do expect prices to continue upwards, and that's what we're seeing at present. We did see a bit of selling to the downside, but the buyers have re-entered the market, and prices do look poised to go and test this 135.60 level. So if we do have a look on the daily time frame, we can see the breakout of the previous range. Let's just have a look. I'm just having some technical difficulties at the moment for some. My goodness, like, why is this chart being difficult? So on this daily time frame, we can see here we had a bit of a zone in around this 131.70, and top of range being around this 134. So on this, so we can see there is 131.70. Up there we have 134, and at present we did have the candle on 25th pretty strong candle closing near the highs, indicating that we're likely to hold this 134 for our move up to 35.60. So that should wrap up the euro yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.